Hey guys, it's Don here from Gold's Gym, Newburgh, Middletown. I am in Las Vegas, Nevada at the American Barbell manufacturing plant with Phil, who's actually the founder, creator, inventor of the dumbbells and a lot of other stuff that we're using back in the gym. And he's giving us a tour of this incredible facility. He's showing us the manufacturing process, and we're gonna get an understanding of why it's the case that those dumbbells that we have in Newburgh were purchased 6 years ago. With all the check-ins we're getting every day and the heavy use and abuse that those dumbbells are getting, they still look like they're brand new. There's a reason for it, and we're gonna learn a bit about the process with Phil here today.
So this is where we build the Series 1 splined dumbbell. Spline meaning the handle has a patented spline similar to the way you would put a steering wheel on a car, like on with the grooves, male and female. What we do is we press this spline into these dumbbell heads, and it's the only dumbbell in the world that's ever been created that actually gets stronger the more you use it. Because theoretically, the more you drop it, the tighter the connection.
So the more they're using the dumbbells in the gym, the stronger they're getting over time.
The stronger the connection.
Got it.
Instead of the opposite, like
so
everyone else.
that's why they're never loose on the ends. We never have to tighten them.
And we're going to show you why. So he'll go ahead and he'll put one together for you, and you'll understand how. And also, you see what he's doing? He's also weighing the parts to see how close that we can get to accuracy, where many dumbbells are not even close to being accurate. So you see what you're looking at? You're looking at that spline won't go in that hole, right?
Right, yes.
So then what we do is we apply 40 to 50 tons of pressure, and you see what's happening here is that spline now digs into the metal, and because the handle is so much harder than the steel in the head, it cuts a female groove into it automatically. But now you get the theory, right? So you take that dumbbell, and if you have a steel, I was explaining to her that if those two steels, the handle and the dumbbell, were the same hardness, when you tried to press that in, it would just disperse the metal.
Right.
But because the handle's so much harder than the head, it cuts female grooves in it, and that's how you get the lock. That's what I have a patent on.
That's awesome.
The world's strongest dumbbell. There's never been another dumbbell created stronger than the Series 1 American Barbell spline handle.
There you have it, guys. The world's strongest dumbbells, and we have them at Gold's Gym, Newburgh in Middletown. Awesome stuff.
Thanks, Victor.
American Barbell. Thanks, Victor. Phil, you rock, dude. This is amazing.
Thank you.